Hello children, today we are going to learn phonic sound of alphabets with capital letter and cursive letter. So let's start. A. Phonic sound is A. Apple. B. Phonic sound is B. Ball. C. Phonic sound is K. Cup. D. Phonic sound is D. Dog. E. Phonic sound is A. Elephant. F. Phonic sound is fish. G. Phonic sound is G. Gun. H. Phonic sound is H. Horse. I. Phonic sound is E. Igloo. J. Phonic sound is J. Joker. K. Phonic sound is K. Kettle. L. Phonic sound is L. Lips. M. Phonic sound is monkey. N. Phonic sound is N. Nest. O. Phonic sound is O. Owl. P. Phonic sound is P. Parrot. Q. Phonic sound is Q. Queen. R. Phonic sound is R. Rat. S. Phonic sound is S. Shoes. T. Phonic sound is T. Tomato. U. Phonic sound is umbrella. V. Phonic sound is violin. W. Phonic sound is watch. X. Phonic sound is X-ray. Y. Phonic sound is yak. Z. Phonic sound is zebra. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Word of knowledge.